Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. My today's recipe is instant oats dosa, which I am going to make using steel cut oats. And there will be no soda, no ENO in this recipe. Now, have you ever realized that there are varieties of oats available in the market, but how are they different? There are steel cut oats, there are rolled oats, there are instant oats, but what is the difference between them? Well, the basic difference lies in the way they are processed. The steel cut oats are the oats which are in the most natural form as they are processed the least, and instant oats are the oats which are processed the most. And therefore there's a lot of difference in the way they're cooked also. Instant oats gets cooked instantly as the name suggests, and while chewing also you'll realize that they're very mushy, so you have to take no efforts in eating them. But steel cut oats, they're a little thicker and they take a lot of time in cooking and a lot of time in chewing also, and that's where the secret lies. More amount of chewing your mouth does, it's better for your digestion. So next time when you go to market to pick up oats, please make sure that you are bringing back home only steel cut oats. So on that note, I'll be sharing the ingredients that are required for making instant oats dosa. Thank you so much. Here it is, the instant oats dosa. Now this I am going to have with my favorite chutneys, and this is one chutney which we call mola padi in Tamil, and this recipe I am going to share in my next video. So please keep watching my food channel, and on the topmost corner you see my picture. Please click on that and get subscribed to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen for more healthy recipes. Thank you so much.